XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if we revert our analysis, since the price was here, we discuss how we can look for trade. We discuss about the reversal. That is what we get. And right now we're looking at this correction. Okay. And we are looking at this correction relative to this. Any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And as a short term, based on 1 hour chart, we're looking, that's mean if you get any opportunity for buy from this correction, we can look for 84 following by 88 cents as a short term targets. All right. And how deep this correction can be, if the price couldn't continue from here, we can expect the price even drop to 75 following by 0.737 before we see the reversal. The best thing is if the even if the price drop, we see the reversal without the breakout of this zone. That's mean with the breakout of 0.737. Okay. And as I mentioned, I'm looking for buy. And even if you refer to the indicators, if you put this low relative to the previous one, we see we have a divergence. But how about if this one turned to a flat? That's why if anyone wants to look for buy from here, and even if anyone will take the trade for buy from here, within the next hour, if there is no continuation, they should know how to manage it. All right. Either they take out the trade, they put the price their entry either above the here a bit higher or above the stop in case the price continues a sharp move. The reason is we can expect this one to turn to a flat for the next drop. We need to be careful. We don't need to wait for the next drop before we see the reversal, but we need to be quite careful about this option. Okay. That's why if we get any opportunity, even from here, we have to see the breakout of the previous top flying by this one as a sharp. Okay. And at the same time, so we need to be quite careful about this. We can expect to get one more drop before we see the reversal. By the way, we're looking for buy, and it depends on the strategy the traders they're looking for, or they're using. And we know what's the target based on 1 hour chart as a short term. Anyway, we start with daily chart, and even based on daily chart, we mentioned we're looking at this one as a correction. I mean, we're looking at this one relative to this. Any opportunity for buy as a reversal, we'll take it. And this is what we're looking for as a long term. With a breakout of 1.42, we can look for 1.65 following by 2 as the short, I mean, the target based on daily chart. Because with the breakout of 2, I mean, with the breakout of the 3.3 as an all-time high, then we will give update how high it can go. But at this point, this is what we're looking for. This is the trade we're looking for. All right. Then even with the breakout of the 1.42, we will give update how high it can go. But as of this time, again, this is the targets I'm looking for. Because if we move to weekly chart, all right, we are looking at this correction in relative to this. This is the next as a long term we can look for, right? By the way, we need to know that we're looking for buy. We look as a long term, we're looking for the reversal. But based on daily chart, we don't see a really good trade setup. The best things is we look for trade either based on lower time frame, 4 hour or 1 hour chart. And right now I'm looking at this. That's why, as what I explained, based on 1 hour chart, we can expect for the next drop before we see the next trade. Okay. By the way, I'm looking at this. Any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And based on 1 hour chart, we give, I mean, I highlighted what's the targets we can look for. As a short term, this is the 84 and 88. This is the targets I'm looking for. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.